Hey chat, hi, what's up? Welcome back to the Casual Sports Show, our second episode in this new studio. Let's go, boys.
Penthouse.
Penthouse.
Oh.
Someone's phone is still alive. I think it's mine, but we move on. Our guest today has submitted a very, very, very hot take.
Ridiculous.
Very hot in the streets. Yeah, ridiculous, some would say, we would say. We're going to discuss, maybe argue, maybe agree, definitely argue.
Our guest today is an incredible football player. He just started the best one-on-one league in India, but he runs it in Mumbai. Please welcome to the show the owner of Volta Gram Football, Jay Bhavnani.
Yes,
Whoa,
go.
let's go, Jay. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Is this your first podcast?
Yeah, it's my first time sitting with a bunch of people chatting shit. Yeah,
That definitely. Just with the mic. First time you're doing it with the mic.
first time doing it with a mic.
Otherwise,
Yeah,
you just do it alone in your mind, no?
the way I clapped.
That was crazy.
Pretty big platform, bro. First time you're coming direct to our show.
Oh shit.
we
Yeah,
get-
penthouse and all, but it took a little while to get
It
up.
is the first time, and it was pretty evident. Before we started the show, we asked everyone to clap in their mics.
For a sound.
All three of us clapped in our mics to
Except-
sync the sound. Jay did not clap in his mic, and we were like, "What the fuck are you doing?" He's like, "Bro, I thought you asked me to clap in my mind."
This is his first podcast.
So yeah, it shows that it's your first podcast, but hopefully we are training you to,
Bro, I watch
Go
a
to
lot
bigger
of them, but they
things.
never do that part in the podcast.
Yeah, it's for the editor, bro.
But that makes sense, bro. What you said,
Exactly,
yeah,
yeah.
it adds up.
Okay, so before we get into Jay's hot takes and we let him discuss his ridiculous take, we would like you guys to get to know him a little bit. So we're going to start off with 3 easy quickfire questions for you.
All right.
Who is your favorite athlete of all time?
Can't say Jesus.
No, I'd probably say Steven Gerrard, bro.
Steven fucking Gerrard.
Steven
I mean-
fucking Gerrard.
respectable. I like Steven Gerrard as an athlete, as a person.
360 degree
can't
player,
stand
bro.
him, but sure.
Why can't you stand Gerrard?
He's very irritating.
Yeah,
crybaby.
I think that's also a trait that most athletes have. They can be irritating to people they're up against, but everyone who's on their side loves them.
But don't you think Gerrard,
fair.
it gets kind of swept under the rug, the fact that Gerrard was actually going to leave Liverpool to go to Chelsea.
Yeah.
And the
Jose
mob
wanted.
kind of bullied him into staying into Liverpool.
I mean, even
I wish
Fergie
that would
wanted him
happen
at one
again.
point at United, and those.
But
talks
going
also
to leave
there.
and all is fine. He didn't leave now.
He didn't leave, bro.
I'll
That's what
be on your
counts.
side for this one.
he was going to leave. I mean, one club, one legend, whatever that is. It's not applicable to him.
Thank
And
God he didn't leave.
It is, but he stayed.
No, he stayed, bro.
He stayed,
LA
but
Galaxy
every
is
day
not.
At the end of the day, he
intentions-
stayed. I agree with that.
See. Let me ask you a question.
Wenger.
No, let
Wenger,
me
on
ask
the
you a
other hand,
question.
was
Let-
offered a contract by Juventus, Madrid. He didn't leave. He stayed at Arsenal.
Yeah, but then
That's
what
a true
happened?
legend.
Is he?
Correct. That proves my point. But say, for example, you have a girlfriend, right? And you're,
Sure.
for
Sure.
example, and you get approached by a woman at the bar or something, and she says like, I'll give you the time of your life, and you go like, I can't.
Yeah.
Does that mean you're unfaithful?
Oh, that's a good.
Yeah, I
That's a
want to, but
good-
I can't. Is what Gerrard
No,
did.
that's
Is
not what he
Gerrard
said.
did.
But
That's not what he said. He
Gerrard-
said my
no.
head is turned, but my heart is still here. That's what he
That's
said.
fair.
Oh,
Have you?
that's
You
emotional
cheated
cheating.
in your mind.
Emotional cheating.
In your mind.
Yeah,
In your mind.
cheating in your
I'll take
mind,
it.
and that's
He
not
clapped her
applicable.
cheeks in her mind. In his mind.
That's exactly my point. Is that's emotional cheating, which is worse than physical
Yeah.
cheating.
So
what
how do you
Gerrard did
know
was
Wenger
actually
didn't
worse
do
than
it?
not leaving the world.
How do you know Wenger didn't do
Because he
it?
stayed. No, he said.
But
that I
even
was
Gerrard
also-
So
stayed.
did Stevie.
and
So
he
did
stayed.
Stevie.
But Stevie was going to leave. Gerrard.
No.
If
Stevie
again
was going
this
to
is
leave.
happening,
Wenger
bro.
said, "I am never going to leave," and he didn't even think about it.
Yeah,
Correct.
no, he also didn't think about leaving when he left. Also, he was kicked the fuck out.
Exactly.
Okay, next question. Pretty obvious, but who is your favorite football club? What is your favorite football club? What is funny
Sammy's
with
damn
that?
mean, bro.
Who is fine, yeah.
All the time.
Sammy's damn mean. Bro.
Okay, what is your favorite football club?
My favorite football club is Kinkray FC.
Oh,
boy.
shout
No,
out!
no,
Come
no,
on.
I would love to do the take, but it's just going to be a waste of our time, bro. Because that's not my favorite football club.
Okay, so what's the
Yeah,
answer?
My favorite football club is Liverpool. Liverpool Football
Bleeds
Club.
red.
And what is your favorite IPL team?
I don't know if they're still around, but I think Sunrisers Hyderabad.
Still
when I
around.
used to
They're
when I
around,
used to
they're
watch
very much
IPL, that was my favorite IPL team. Moving from Deccan to Sunrisers, all because of one man, Dale Steyn.
Fair.
Great pick. They are by far the most entertaining team to watch in the
Right
IPL.
now. So if you want to get back into the IPL,
Oh, that's not a bad idea.
It's
But
a-
now
it's a
they have
good
like
move.
I don't know. The players are unknown, bro.
They have
They are
Travis
very well
Head.
known.
Very well known.
they
Very
have,
well.
they
Travis
have the
Head.
daddy of India, Travis Head.
Travis Head.
They
He's
have
kind of annoying.
Abhishek, the number one batsman in T20 in the world.
That opening partnership
It's
itself
insane.
is just
Yeah, they've scored some of the most runs. So if you're not into IPL
Even
right
Pat
now,
Cummins.
which you aren't, get back into it. Support Sunrisers.
Wait, I have a question about Pat Cummins. Wasn't he like 18 and bowling at 150? And then what happened to him? He disappeared for like 6 years,
He
and
got
then
a
now he's
bad
come back and
injury.
he's become
no,
the
he
captain.
didn't disappear for 6 years, but he got a bad injury, so he doesn't bowl at 150 anymore. But he is one of the best bowlers because
He's
He's
super
technically-
accurate,
Line and
bro.
Yeah.
Like,
He's
Line
just
and
extremely accurate.
technically very sound and
And
he's
his,
a
like-
clutch god.
His form is supposed to be the perfect overarm form and shit
Yeah.
like that. So
So crazy.
Yeah.
he's just aura farming, more or less.
last question for the intro is: what is or who is your greatest sports duo of all time, or your favorite?
My favorite sports. Oh shit! It's gonna be another Liverpool one.
Go for
But
it.
it's Sturridge and Suarez.
Oh,
That's a great
nice.
show.
that
SAS
was
Duo,
that was
man.
insane fun to
Wow.
watch.
For the
amount-
streets?
Yeah,
For
yeah.
the
Or
streets,
a little
bro.
above that.
No means it's for the streets, bro. Because at the end of the day, the streets will reach where they have to reach. But these guys played like they were playing in their fucking backyards.
Yeah.
bro.
I
It
want to
was
say that
insane.
that Suarez season is one of the best I've ever seen in the Premier League.
I-
Maybe the best that
I think
I've
it may
watched
be
the whole
the
season.
best
I think so.
season a striker has
Yes.
had single. Even better. Even Haaland might have smashed the goal record. But look at the goal catalogue of Suarez.
And
there.
also, he missed the first how many games did he
Six
miss?
games. I literally
Six
saw a
games he was
video.
suspended for Evra.
Yeah.
Bro, the
Yeah.
best part is we're like, fuck, we're screwed because he's suspended for six games. Sturridge scores
Yeah,
every
insane.
game,
Yeah.
and we win 1-0 almost every game.
And
we
then
were
this
just like, and
fucker
then Suarez
comes,
is back,
yeah.
he's scoring
It was
hat-tricks.
like I saw
Oh
a
my
reel that day of the top 5 goals that Suarez almost scored from that season, and like
Yeah,
they
yeah,
just missed. And they are like fucking insane, bro. It's like if he scored those, it would just be 5 more to like an already unbelievable
Yeah,
goal
those
catalog.
Norwich games were just.
Yeah, I mean that
fucking
season
insane,
itself.
bro. He
And
always
talking about
fucked
his
up.
favorite athlete, no one remembers that season more for Gerrard slipping
Slippy
on his
G.
fucking bumpy ass.
Fiji.
Slippy G.
We can't
Tim
fucking.
Baba.
See, I'll tell you, in hindsight, if Brendan Rodgers won the league with Liverpool, it would overshadow what happened right now in the last 7-8 years with Jurgen Klopp. Like, now if I look at it, and if I say the manager to make Liverpool win the league after 25 years was Brendan Rodgers, okay, I would be happy, sure. But like, now, when Jurgen Klopp came in and
So you
won
like
us
to
the
lose
league,
for longer.
Once.
no, bro, I'm talking about hindsight. See, like everything happens for a reason. So,
I guess so.
Wisdom 101.
Yeah.
if somebody's dealing with depression, you give them these kinds of reasons. No?
So Klopp and Rodgers, after everything, competed for the same amount of Premier League titles. So 1-1.
No, we competed for 3. We lost out twice and we won once. He competed once and lost.
Brendan Rodgers lost like 2 in
One.
Once.
One.
He came second
That
once.
slip one.
And that wasn't even like as close as Klopp was. Klopp lost by 1 point twice.
He lost by
On
1
the
point.
last day.
Brendan Rodgers lost by 1 point.
No, but then we must have won and Man City must have lost because it was like we had to beat Crystal Palace to stay
like-
alive, which
yeah.
was the week before.
Yeah, 3-0.
And
But
that's
it
where
was
Cristanbul happened, where they fucking
90
came back 3-all.
Reverse
And I think
Istanbul.
City didn't give a fuck about their last game. Maybe they lost or something. And it might have been, but I don't think it
What was
was
the
1
year?
point.
15, 16?
2012, 13.
No.
not 12,
13, 14, I think.
13. It was either
12,
13
13
or
was
13,
United
14.
Van Persie.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, it's a 2-point difference, 86-84.
Yeah, but Liverpool
we
had
know,
it in
Chelsea
the
also
bag,
82.
right?
Yeah, then they
Yeah.
lost to Chelsea and they drew to Palace.
They
That's
lost
what,
to Chelsea and we drew.
that was too good, bro. What a
So on
time.
the last game,
do not
day,
let
it
it
wasn't
slip.
really.
What's his name?
We do not let it fucking slip.
Hey, do your British accent now. You're damn good at it.
I
Not
love
for
that
this
video.
slide.
All the edits are just him in the tea bottle, like, we do not let this fucking slip. Straight slips. But Suarez and Sturridge is an insane shout.
I think
Sterling
they
also
were.
up there?
Sterling was around. He added that last S if we needed something, but
Yeah.
I think the two of them just did everything on
insane.
their own.
I
That
love
was
that clip
crazy
of
fun to
Brendan
watch.
Rodgers screaming at Sterling in a pre-season training camp, where Sterling probably said something to Rodgers, and Rodgers like, "I heard what you said. If you do that again, you're straight out of the squad." And then he ended up getting the best out of Sterling. So respect to Rodgers, even though he's insulted a lot.
The best out of Sterling is a bit.
He did. I mean, he got that move to City, no, after that.
Okay, that one.
No, but
And
Sterling
then
was-
Chelsea, bro.
I loved watching
paid
Sterling
player.
more at
Still.
Liverpool than I did at Man City.
but
Yeah,
I
because
think that's
City-
also that recency bias
City
issue.
was like a-
Because
yeah.
you saw him flop towards the end. Actually,
Not
maybe
at
not at
City.
City. Yeah,
But
maybe
City,
never
you
at
saw
City.
him
Not
in
at
like a
City.
well-oiled machine,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
always like so nice to see.
Bro,
Yeah.
that celebration at Liverpool, that
And
was so iconic.
I think he had more freedom in Liverpool where he would just do whatever he wanted
'Cause
to.
there
as
was
opposed
nobody
to
else.
City.
He used
Yeah.
to take on players left and right. bro,
Yeah,
like-
and in City he was at the end of things.
Playing
like
the system.
tapping.
Yeah. But bro, I think he scored the second most goals under Guardiola after Messi.
Yeah.
Like more than Aguero. at the
Yeah, I
end
guess
of
an
it.
insane
No,
amount of...
now
Haaland,
Haaland,
yeah.
right now.
Maybe
Haaland.
now
Haaland,
Haaland.
Haaland.
Haaland is putting up ridiculous numbers.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's just numbers. Okay.
Next one.
Let's move.
They're
Okay.
just numbers.
Now we can finally talk about it. As we mentioned in your intro, you know, you and some of your friends have started this 1v1 Volta journey, and we actually came to one of your events earlier this month, and Sammy and I had a lot of fun. I don't think Tane enjoyed it as much because he took part and he got absolutely raped. but it was great fun and the energy was good. So tell us how you came up with the idea of starting this whole thing.
See, the story is actually quite funny. Two of my friends, Rahul and Dev. Actually, Dev was, I don't even know who Dev is, right, at this point. Rahul is like, bro, want to talk to you about something. Like, come hang out. And he chills on the terrace, so nice place to go. You know, we always go there.
No substances.
No, none of that's. What?
What the fuck is a substance?
I don't know. I mean, terrace.
know, bro, you
I'm
keep
just
bringing
thinking
up
about
the
it.
Don't interrupt,
Sorry,
please.
sorry,
This
sorry.
is a hilarious
open
story
space,
coming on.
open space in Mumbai is worth it.
Yeah, for
You know,
sure. I mean, tell us about it.
Yeah, exactly.
We've got it
You know,
into
where you
some
can
deep-
do whatever you want.
Yeah. Chumma
Not PDP, by the way.
You're allowed now.
That was a layup. That was alley-oop. But so he's like, bro, I want to talk to you about something. I have a really cool idea. Like, you might like it. Theek hai, chalo. I show up at his house. And I was like, what's this idea? He's like, you've seen Top Baller. I was like, yeah, I've seen Top Baller, but like, you know, not that much into the YouTube culture, blah, blah, blah. And I'm sitting down and this dude walks in, right, Dave? And he's like, okay, bro, so the three of us should really plan like how to do this. And I'm like, three of us, I don't really know you. I don't know what y'all are doing. I don't know if I'm into this.
That was us with ZS. Go on.
And so I didn't give that impression. I was like, okay, let me hear out like what the plan is. And their idea was to recreate something like Top Baller for the Indian market. And my perspective was, I don't think these boys really want to play this. Because like I play 11-a-side football. I don't like 5-a-side football that much. It gets tiring. The prize money is low. You have to sit the whole day on like a Saturday and a Sunday. I was like, this part of football isn't really what I imagine for football. And so I don't know if this is going to happen. We kept it at the side for a bit. Rahul and I were working on something else, so we would meet time to time. And then we met again. And I'd spoken to a few people like, oh, what do you all think about this idea? Every single person is like, bro, I love this idea. So I started thinking, like started doing a bit of research. Then I realized Indians are good at football in the sense that we're technically quite good. I was playing in the UK for quite a while, and the difference between me and everyone else was physical. And I'm physically fit here. But over there, I was technically better than most people, but physically I was lacking. Everyone plays 5-a-side. They're really good at small cage football. You know, like certain elements like this. And I was like, okay, maybe 1v1 might be good. Started asking people, they're like, bro, we used to do it without a goalkeeper. So, you know, small goals, Pana style football, street football. That's what I used to play in my building as well. And slowly talking to people, I myself bought into the idea. And then I was like, okay, but we do it a particular way. Because the real problem that I see in football for Indians particularly is like, we're not given a platform and we're not allowed to express our personality. I don't mean not allowed. I just mean like it's not encouraged. So I was like, okay, let's not try to just do this as tournaments or even content. Let's try to do it as player showcasing, player highlighting. Let's get these people and be like, who can we make a king? It's kind of a weird thing to say, but it's like, oh, I'm going to become a kingmaker. I'm going to tell you like, fuck, you're going to be the best 1v1 player in Bombay. And through that, what we'll do is we'll give him a personality. We'll give that whole community a personality. And so this idea was there. It was never going to happen, quite frankly. Then there's this tournament called Mumbai Sevens. A friend of mine's organizing it. Big tournament, right? 1 week prior to the tournament, he calls me up and he's like, bro, you know who's playing in this tournament? I said, who? I'm playing Chut. What do you mean, who's playing? He's like, bro, Amay Ranawade is playing this tournament. Vikram Pratap is playing this tournament. Bro, Wayne is also playing this tournament.
Give some context
These
on
are
who
all
these-
either India internationals or players playing in the ISL. So we're
ISL
like
is on?
players contracted with a club in the ISL. So the scene was like, fuck, there are some big players coming. In fact, we don't get to play with these players. Like after youth levels, I've not played with a lot of these guys.
Same, bro.
Yeah, I've noticed. But so we thought, okay, bro, can I come to your event and run a 1v1 pop-up? Let's see what happens. And I realized, dude, people love it. People fucking love it. Like they were like, oh, they're playing 1v1. There's a big ass tournament going on. Yes, there was a lot of publicity to that tournament as well. But there was a section of like the people who was coming to this and saying, what's going on over here? Oh, cool. Can I also play? And so we were like, okay, the quality was there. There was no question about that. So quality, yes. Crowd, yes. And personality started to come out. I saw a few boys like giving a few celebrations. I saw one of these guys. He knew he was way better than the other, right? So he's like trying to rainbow him. He's trying to meg him. He's losing, but he's trying to do it. I was like, okay, maybe the boys do have it. And then we were like, fucking let's send it, bro. That's the only way we'll find out what actually works. And so we did 25 South Volta edition. And yeah, I mean, you all know how that
It
one went.
almost feels like an MMA of football, where they're trying to
One-on-one.
like make these personalities pit them against each other, like Jay said right now, and trying to make a king out of them.
Correct,
Is
yeah.
what Dana kind of did with
Yeah, it's promotion based.
promotion, basically. It's super interesting. I love the concept,
Yeah,
and all the content you all
I
put
didn't
out is
think
awesome.
That's the answer you're gonna give.
Really?
That I want to build personalities and make these guys the heroes of something you're organizing. I just thought you wanted to grow like a community around this 1v1 where you can hold an event first from Bombay, then a little outside, and then expand, which also I'm sure is in your plan.
That is also part of it. But the real, like, I was trying to get to what comes underneath the surface. So that will happen. We will grow a community because without a community, what are you?
Nothing. Yeah.
You know, you can't just be putting it on Instagram and people don't actually show up. So the idea is that everyone comes together to enjoy football. But the real thing that I see as a problem is that, bro, footballers are fucking cool, man. Like, look at, bro, recently there was this Footballer Fits. You know about these guys?
No.
So Footballer Fits is an organization that does, bro, they do like film festival level shit. Like they do like red carpet awards and all for footballers based on their extra interests, majorly fashion. And so a lot of these boys, they're like, you know how you showed up to training in whatever. So it's like, shows up to training in this, they snap him. Footballer Fits is like, okay, this guy's looking really cool. We love his vibe. We love his personality. They're talking on social media. They're talking in interviews. But over here, that's not there, bro. Like Shreyas Iyer is on GQ. Why is there no footballer who's even on, like he's cover star? Fair enough, bro. Top player, no doubt. Cool guy also. But on 30 pages of GQ, no footballer. Like there's no thought also of putting a footballer there. If I say like, let's put a footballer, I say, pagal hai kya, bro? Football kaun dekhta? But football's cool, bro. That's what we want to show. Like, you know, it's
This is
cooler
like-
than you think.
Antonio Brown giving cracker of the week.
You all should do that. We should do that.
Yeah,
Crack
we
of the
should
week.
do that. All right, so dream scenario. Any 3 football players, past and present, you'd like to have in your 1v1 tournament. Who
Oh,
would it be?
shit. That is hard, bro. I think number 1, I'm just going to go Neymar.
It has to be.
It has
Number
to
one
be.
had
It has
Neymar.
to be
I would've,
Neymar.
like any other answer would have been wrong.
It could have been Ronaldinho. But
But he doesn't have a passport, it's fine. Yeah.
He'll create one.
so I'd say number 1, Neymar for sure. Number 2 would be somebody like JJ Okocha. Like
Love
you need somebody vibey, real for the streets type of player. And yeah, the name.
So nice they
you
had to name
can't-
him twice.
And if I had to go number 3, I'm trying not to be Brazilian again, so we can try to go somewhere else. But current player, I'd probably say somebody like Luis Diaz. He
Yeah.
would be a vibey player. You know why? Because he can just do that little quick foot, make space, bang.
I would say Olise, bro, better than that on the same team.
Olise is also
so
good
Yeah.
clean, man.
I mean, there's too many. to
Yeah,
like
there's
put
actually
on
a
the
lot.
list.
There's too many. There's too many. But
Like,
I just like
Saint
Lucho's vibe.
Maximin
Alan.
would be amazing to
I'm
watch.
not.
And who was the guy on Palace also?
Bolasi.
Bolasi.
Oh, what a player.
Palmer, I said Palmer.
Palmer? No, bro. Palmer's
He'd
not the
be
kind of
Alan,
guy I'd
right?
have.
What do you all think
Obviously
about
not. I just
Boba
said
in
it
a
too.
1v1, bro?
Ooh.
Too
Yeah, that'd be
slow,
fun.
bro.
Too slow, but he's
I think he'll
like,
be fine. He's so smart in
Yes.
shielding and
No,
all.
but
bro.
he-
He
No,
uses
but
body
that's the
well.
thing in a 1v1. The problem
Yeah.
is you can't do anything other than what you're trying to do. So Birbal like fake one side dude will be like, who are you
Like,
playing
who-
it to?
why-
Truth,
why
like
you faking
who's
Birbal?
there?
I think that was my problem.
He'd get caught out.
That
you're
was
saying, I mean.
one of your problems.
One of my problems.
Tanay played this Volta tournament. I'll keep his stats here. I guess, for everyone to see. I'll edit it in.
Okay, last question about Volta. We just found out that you're hosting one of the biggest 1v1 tournaments yet.
Maybe
In-
tournaments like that.
Yeah, in terms of prize money
Yeah.
at least. The winner is going to get $50,000.
Oh shit.
Scratch that. 50,000 rupees. And why don't you want me to be in goal for that?
Who said that? Do
You
have that
told
on
me
We
record?
have a
before this-
screenshot now of that.
Yeah,
You
no,
have
no.
it,
We do, I think.
Yeah,
we
we
do,
can,
you
we
send
can
it.
manufacture
We have a
that.
screenshot.
Chat GPT it.
Man, AI these days, guys. Don't believe this shit. I asked Sammy, he said he's not available.
Just shut the fuck up. Why don't you want me to be in goal for
Okay,
that?
let's first answer the real question,
Yeah.
which is
Talk about the tournament.
50,000 rupees
Dollars.
prize. It's not prize pool. Huh? I'm just putting it out there
Yes.
for everyone who
Winner
might get
takes all?
confused, who's seen it. Yeah, it's winner takes all.
Oh,
Got
so there's
it.
no
That-
second place prize.
There is
There- okay,
prize.
but
Shit
not
pads,
cash.
studs or something.
But there's
no?
yeah. So
Yeah, yeah, that's
we're
what
keeping people happy. We want to show
What are
you
you
like
talking about like it's nothing?
I
Tanay?
said it's great, bro.
it's great.
I said it's great.
So the winner of the whole thing, as I said, like the king, gets 50 grand, whatever the fuck he wants with it. After that, it's like we'll give you things because we want you to keep participating. But the idea is that in a 1v1, there's only one guy who's there, bro.
Fair.
He's
Fair
the
enough.
best.
I
And
like
so
it.
he deserves all that credit.
Agreed.
And the reason we're doing 50 grand is not because, okay, yeah, it is a lot of money and it's not that easy to produce that money and it might help somebody, but that's not the reason. Honestly, the reason we're doing 50 grand is because the football community needs to take notice, bro. If you don't play top players, don't pay top players enough, or give them enough of a reason to participate, they will not play. And then
Love
your
it.
talent is just getting lost, bro. You're
Love
going to, I think, 140 something we are right now in the FIFA rankings.
Embarrassing.
136, I think.
Like, no, I think it got changed
Oh,
today
it
or
got
something.
changed?
Yeah,
Oh, we
that's
lost
what I'm
now to
saying.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, bro. And why is Bangladesh one? Hamza Chaudhary, bro.
But shout out to Bangladesh, their jerseys rock.
Jerseys do
by
come,
the way.
bro, actually hard.
Yeah, everything around
But-
that country might not be the best, but jerseys
we are
rock.
around that country.
I mean, like the football, you saw the field and like it was not the
Correct.
best, but they still managed to beat us. Just speaks to our level of football.
Yeah, I think that one thing is that
142nd by the way.
147
Man.
exactly.
Dirty.
So this is, I mean, it's not reflective, bro. It's not reflective. The amount of top quality players you have who are playing local leagues who do not give a fuck about playing professional. Because they're like, bro, kya paisa hai isme? Few lakhs we'll make and then give our whole life up for it.
Fair.
And yeah, bro, so people need to take note. Like, if you're not going to pay enough, people are going to start playing these tournaments. And once you start paying enough, people will start working harder and harder to make sure that that money is, value for money kind of concept. And so, yeah, that's why big prize pool. Please pull up. I'd love to have you all there. If you all want to participate, fill up the form. But
Luckily, I'm not in town. Oh, unfortunately, I'm not in town.
Zio, you should
No
participate this time.
chance. It's not happening.
but yeah, bro, and we want quality. So like,
So no chance.
when it's
So then why aren't you guys taking me and letting me keep?
See, Sammy, I must say, you did a great job. You stole the show in the last event.
And the
That's
check.
why. And that's
And
why.
And the check.
And the check.
And yeah, man, we'd love to have you again, but there needs to be an equal distribution of the keepers. So a few keepers have signed up for this one.
Fair. Oh, the keepers also have to sign up.
I mean, they've messaged me on my WhatsApp and asked to keep.
Perfect. Okay, then I'm
So-
out.
And I see another role for you.
Yeah, we'll talk about that.
So
In a country with 1.8 billion people can't be 142nd in the world.
Says the
in
fattest
most
guy in the room.
Fucking famous. How does that matter?
How does that matter? Stop body shaming, Tanay.
What does that? What does that even have to do
I
with
don't know. I
anything?
just wanted to
no,
say.
see, it would be okay if we gave 0 fucks about football. Then it might be okay.
We are like tryhards all.
Bro, we are tryhards, man. We
That's
love
insane,
football,
man.
bro.
That's fucking
We're trying really hard everywhere, but it's not working out.
I have a conspiracy, and I think I've discussed this with the boys before, that cricket in India doesn't want any other sport to grow. One of their biggest competitors is football.
Fair.
Because if you think about it, in any other country, say England, America, sports are competing against each other. The NBA is competing against the NFL is competing against the MLB. Similarly, in the UK, cricket is competing against Premier League, and then they have the other tournaments as well. In India, cricket has a monopoly.
Correct.
But kabaddi and all is doing well.
They're doing well, but I don't ever think they're going to break into
Mainstream.
the higher markets, the mainstream markets. I think football has that power because it's an international sport. Kabaddi does not have that in its favor. I know, again, I just want to preface this as a conspiracy theory. I do not have all my facts lined up. This is just what I think is that cricket will never let football grow. I don't have the facts, I don't have the numbers. This is just something that's been on my mind.
I must say this is like an uncle or auntie who comes to your house and says तू football खेलता है, but वो लोग cricket वाले allow नहीं करते हैं ना football grow करने के लिए. It's one of those takes.
I 100% agree.
It
I
might
feel like
be a
Alex
bit
Jones
true.
right now.
Yeah, there's some sort of, it's kind of valid.
Yeah, there's some truth to it, but don't know exactly
yeah,
what
we
that
don't know
truth.
for sure.
Exactly, and that's why I'm prefacing
I
it
must say,
by-
I've played like this professional circuit for a while. I've never felt like somebody said, you know, you're not important, or like cricket, football is not important. But it's more like the way it's created.
But you can understand it's not important when you're not making a good check.
Yeah, exactly.
And also,
exactly.
the importance for any sport to grow, it comes from the government. If
True.
there is no money infused through the governing bodies, that sport is never going to grow.
We don't even know, bro, where the money is going.
Exactly.
Like ISL is shut right now.
Yeah.
Nobody really knows why.
And it's
We don't have
harder for
clear
a team
answer.
sport as well. Like, let's say for shooting and
Correct.
javelin and all, we had one superstar, and now we have a couple maybe.
Yeah.
At least making the Olympics and this.
But
and
I
that.
think the similar reason with kabaddi, actually not just the individual aspect, but that you can carve out a niche. So over here, like if you're 143rd, then you have to reach top 20, 30 at least to be relevant. So, oh, बहुत बड़ा distance है, bro. Javelin फेंकना, maybe you'll reach there.
And you have to invest for
In
one.
one
Yeah, you have to
person.
invest for one
Yeah.
person. You don't need to set up a grassroots
And it's
system.
an even smaller sport than football is. Like, you'll have to
Exactly.
spend so much money to make a team of.
But we
18,
don't have,
11,
what do you say, like sprinters, for example. 100-meter sprinters, 200-meter sprinters.
I was saying, like, I don't know, those guys got good. Like, shooting and javelin was my example because we had one champion.
Correct.
Like, Abhinav Bindra was super loaded anyway. That was his thing. And then
This
he
is
won
also
it and
one
then
of
he
these
set an
things. These
example.
are some of these sports where you kind of need to have financial backing to go ahead and participate in that sport yourself. Football is not one of those sports. And so you need the infrastructure to be set up. You cannot go and set up a ground. Like, never.
I mean, you yourself are finding it so hard to get a ground.
To get a
for-
ground for a decent price.
Yeah.
And that's why in India everyone's playing 5-a-side and 7-a-side because we don't have the space, especially in our city and these.
So
big
I'll tell you,
cities.
like Top Baller and these guys now, they can literally say, show up, register on the spot, and play. Because nobody's coming to them, chal ground vacate karo, abhi booking 8 baje ka, chal nikal and all. But for here it's like that because everyone wants money of everything. But I must, contextualize that by saying that it's not like that in other parts of India. There are many open, wide spaces,
100%.
even in Delhi and stuff,
100%.
where you can go and play.
I
So
don't
it's a
wanna go to
Bombay,
Delhi.
It's a Bombay
issue.
problem,
It's a Bombay
100%.
issue.
I don't want to go to Delhi. Right.
Yeah.
Fair enough. So you'd probably like through the run, you'd be, I need to go back to Bombay, but I don't know, bro. With the situation
We
right
also
now,
catching up, bro. Competing
yeah,
heavy.
God.
Chal, let's get into the meat of the show. I mean, great discussion, but we need to discuss your take. Get it off your chest, Jay. Jay, you sent us an interesting take about Liverpool's current struggle and how a certain ex-player could have helped solve the club's current crisis. So, Jay, word for word, give your take looking into that camera.
Okay.
And I can remind you of your take.
I'll say it as I think of it, which is if Liverpool had Trent Alexander-Arnold this season, they would be in the top 4. As of now,
Yuck.
with all our problems.
3-0
How
at
can you have
home
defensive
against Forest.
problems and expect Trent to solve them?
Because he would help us score. The defensive problems haven't gone away by Trent going away. The defensive problems have been there forever.
But how much
Not
would he
as
help
bad
you
now.
score?
I will tell you how much he would help us
And
score.
the amount y'all are conceding, I
let's
don't
start.
think y'all would be able to outscore those teams.
Shall we? Build up play. Absolutely pathetic at the moment, Liverpool.
I would
Trent-
argue actually Sloboda is doing a really good job at right back.
Soboslai is,
think Szoboszlai can do exactly
is
what Trent is doing
B-Tech
at right.
Trent. If you watch Trent Alexander-Arnold play, you will remember that Soboslai, the reason when Trent was there, Soboslai didn't drop in, is because everyone was like, boss, Trent hai. Tu ball mat le. Free kicks, why is Trent taking them? Soboslai, bhai, Trent hai. Corner kicks, Trent hai. And it's not because Trent played at Liverpool for 7 years and Soboslai just joined. or whatever. He was there for 2 years. But I think the reality of it is, if you go and watch Trent Alexander-Arnold highlights, he's the best ball striker in all of Europe.
See, I agree. He has one of the best right foots. Delivery, especially free
really
kicks,
good
he's
left
up there. And shooting also, he's up there. He's not the best, I don't think. But the crisis we were talking about is defending. Right.
Agreed. So let me get into why I think, okay? First, most important thing is build-up play. Without Trent, our build-up play is very, I don't know, one-dimensional. With Trent, it's two-dimensional, three-dimensional, because the man can spread an outfoot ball from the inside right channel to Salah on the right wing unmarked. And then Salah can get into one-on-one position.
Unpredictability.
Exactly. He can also switch that ball all over to the other side to Gakpo's foot. I was going to say Luis Diaz, but unfortunately, I miss him as well. But I don't think that's that big a deal. To Gakpo's foot. He can also play line-breaking passes straight through to the striker. He would get the striker involved a lot. He can also play the ball behind to the striker. He can also find the man in midfield. He can become the extra man in midfield. Right now, we don't have a right back who can do that. Soboslai coming and doing that, he does have good, distribution abilities, and he's a great runner, and he's a great ball striker. But what he doesn't have is that level of creativity that Trent has. So that from a deep lying position, you are in a situation where you're, say, 1 down or 2 down, lot of pressure on you. You've just released one ball, and now it's 1-on-1 for the striker to finish. And mostly the striker's missing these days, which sucks.
Okay, but y'all have lost Trent. But don't you think your other players, your other reinforcements like Wirtz, Isak, who else have you all signed? man?
Ekitike, but he's playing-
Milos Kerkez.
Shouldn't all
Better than
these
these
players make up for that loss in build-up?
No, because none of them is a right back. So the issue is,
Sure, I mean, but you change your
You
system
change the
according
system.
to the players you have.
which is why I think Arne Slot is the
Should be
problem at
sacked.
the moment.
Yeah,
Not
that's-
sacked.
That was my.
I wouldn't say sacked, because you only sack when you know that there's somebody new who's going to come and do a better job, or this guy's just dog shit. Which he is not, because he won the league. So you have to he has money in the bank. So you've got to give him some level of credibility.
Yeah, some
bro.
level of credit. But he's inherited a squad which he's made no changes to whatsoever in the
Correct.
first year, except for getting Chiesa in,
Yeah.
who also didn't
He didn't
at
play him,
all.
bro.
So he's come into a system that's already on autopilot
Mm-hmm.
per se. Now when you're coming in as a new manager, you made Ekitike, who's a 80 million pound signing.
Okay.
Whatever it is. Then you make Wirtz, who's
Correct.
the Premier League transfer record signing. And now you're breaking it again in the same window with Isak.
Correct.
So you have to manage more than just players. You have to manage personalities now.
Agreed.
Wirtz is coming into the team thinking, okay, I am the fucking Premier League record signing. I am the shit in this club. Isak now comes in thinking the exact same thing. So I think I don't blame Slot. It may be too much for his plate. Like too much shit on his plate for him to deal with. But yeah, I just think it's more a problem of Liverpool's board also letting him go so crazy with the signing, so crazy with the money. There's a level of expectations that everyone in the team builds, and I just don't think he could keep up with that.
I'll defend Slot for last season. Winning the league by inheriting a team and a system is not that easy. We seen it with United. Moyes came in and didn't do well at all. And Ferguson won the league right before that. But they're almost the same team. So it's not easy. So credit to him for that.
Fair.
much
It's not
time-
like anyone could have done
How
it.
much
That's
time
fair.
and where do they have to finish? Let's say you say end of the season. If they finish here, he should get sacked.
I think
What
if
is
you don't
that
finish
position?
top 4, you should get sacked.
Top 4 should
There's
get
no
sacked.
question
Damn,
about it.
okay.
But look at it, okay? We don't have Luis Diaz. We don't have Darwin Núñez. Okay, Jots is another. But we don't have two main attackers who would normally be playing pretty regularly.
Darwin was
Darwin-
rated when he's there.
Yeah, yeah,
you
but
all replace
Davies
them with
Jota-
better
No, no,
players.
wait.
At
I'm
least more
getting
expensive.
there,
I
I'm
don't know
getting
better, but more expensive.
Okay.
On paper, better.
Paper.
Okay. Maybe a little better. I would say
Better than
Davies.
Darwin.
Yeah.
Bro,
Isak
the-
and Davis last season was
Correct.
And
Miles
when-
apart.
And Luis, y'all were very happy. Y'all were like, we fleeced Bayern by selling.
No, we did not say we fleeced Bayern. We could not offer Luis Diaz a 250K a week
Sure,
contract.
but like getting
That
70
was the
million for
reality.
Luis Diaz was like, fuck, we
That's
got a great deal.
Yeah. Because 1 year left on his contract. That's the big reason. We
Sure.
found Thiago for 20 million, bro.
I know, but now don't you think, looking back, you're saying it was a bad deal, right? for you?
No, I don't think so. I can't
Okay,
say that.
okay,
So
okay,
that's why I'm only saying Trent. I only think
Who
Trent
else
was
apart
the
from-
bad transfer. Okay, so now one thing I'll say is that the money aspect, bro, we don't spend money, man. So like the fact that Liverpool have spent this much money and our net spend is still similar to all the other big players. Net spend, I'm talking.
No, I agree.
And we spent zero last season,
Yeah.
and we spent some 80 the season before that.
Yeah.
So we don't spend money, bro. So it was like, भाई बड़ा check लिखा हुआ है, तूने खुद को prove किया first season में, spend.
I mean,
now
yeah, I think
one
it's
more,
fair. That's fair. Go on.
But one more thing is that I think he spent well. he signed a really formidable striker in Isak. I don't know why he signed Isak and Ekitike. I honestly wish
that is
if-
the problem.
But the truth of the matter is Isak is on the market. Whether he flops this year or not, boss, he has 5-6 years to just kill it at the top level. So I don't think it's that big. We're being a little short-sighted. I would have been much happier if we didn't sign Isak, only because if we are in this position right now and we don't sign Isak, I can say, oh, we didn't sign Isak, bro. We wish. I never thought that was going to be the solution to the problem.
But the reason why we are judging Isak is his price tag.
Correct.
Like
but
10
it's also
games
he
is a
has
good
no
sample, you
Preseason,
know what I
bro.
mean?
And I don't know why he played last week against Forest. These are all. So I'll tell you
Slot
honest
is
Slot's
under
mistakes.
pressure.
Why is he playing Milos Kerkez? I'll tell you a very good story, right? James Milner, 2017-18, top assister ever in the UCL. We signed Robbo the same year. People forget that Robbo sat on the bench the whole year. Means whatever he played. But he sat on the bench the whole year. When a 32 or 33-year-old James Milner played left back. Why? Because Klopp knows that integrating yourself in a big club after coming from a small club is not that easy.
Yeah.
I think Slot's biggest mistake was that. He said, Wirtz, 100. Okay, Wirtz, TK, he was there for preseason. I think that one is fine. Isak, bro, 125 million. How can I keep him on the bench so long? Play him, play him, play him. He's flopping. Fuck, now what do? Play him into fitness. Okay, Ekitike is now flopping again. Why? Because Ekitike is like, bro, I thought I'm the big dog, bro. I'm wearing all these hard fits. I'm talking in the media and all, and now y'all aren't playing me. So I think that part he's messed up, the team management, player management.
I agree. That's player management.
That's
is
a
the
good
biggest
point.
downfall.
All of this taken into account, if Trent is so good, why isn't he a shoo-in in the Real Madrid squad?
I didn't say Trent is so good. I said Trent
But you're
would.
implying that Trent is so good that he would elevate this team that is in the
Correct.
bottom half of the table right now.
Correct.
If he's that good in the best league in the
Mm-hmm.
world, he should be a shoo-in in the best team in the world.
I do think he should, and I do think he will be soon enough. I think there are a lot of factors.
He's a
They're
Third
getting now
choice
too
right
comfortable
now.
with Valverde playing that.
Yeah, they're getting too
then they have
comfortable with Valverde
Carvajal.
playing there.
Where does he come in?
I think let Real Madrid need him, he will come in. When things are working, you don't need to change things. And that is the best thing that good managers do. They're like, bro, Trent, tu bet bhai. Tu jitna bhi bada personality hai, jitna bhi bada star hai, tu
fair.
bet. Tera time aayega.
If it ain't broke,
But
Yeah,
things are
don't
not
fix it.
working at Madrid.
I mean, they're top of the league, bro, comfortably at
They
this
want to
point
sack Xavi, Alonso.
What is this? Florentino Perez shit?
Yeah. Because he's not being able to deal with Vinny and Mbappe and Rodrigo.
well, they have
up front.
friction, but they're winning, bro. But
They're
you
winning.
get
Bro,
all these
Mbappe,
people on the
bro,
same
wow.
team,
Yeah.
man.
Mbappe has been insane.
Yeah.
But with
this year,
everything
bro.
that you're saying, imagine the link up between maybe a Trent and Mbappe. Like Trent playing Mbappe.
Have
through-
you seen it enough, bro? I think already. I watched like some Trent Alexander-Arnold video in a Real Madrid shirt. Bro, that ball is just landing there all the
But
time.
It's still
That's
not
not-
good enough to.
I that think it's about good enough, bro. I think it's
just
more
the
of that.
system.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
system
is
is
a
working
system thing.
well. Don't do it because the problem with Trent is you need to give him independent, like creative license.
Yeah.
You cannot tell Trent you keep covering in that. You see where he plays for Madrid a little bit. Like the center CDM drops in, they become a back five,
Yeah.
and Trent is hugging that touchline over there. Man wants to explore, bro.
Yeah.
But I think
which he got to do at Liverpool
And
because
that's
of
what
Van
he
Dijk.
does best, also.
no, not because of Van Dijk. He got to do that because of Joel Matip and Joe Gomez.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Because those guys
Those guys
are
got to do
super
it.
underrated, bro.
Yeah, I think
They did
Gomez for
so-
me insanely underrated.
No,
Insanely
Gomez is not underrated at all. I think Joel Matip. I agree.
Joel Matip is
No, I
underrated.
think
No,
Joe
Joe Gomez
Joe
played for
Gomez.
England and all. Yeah,
He
it's
played
fair.
for England, but he could have been much better than
Correct. I
what
agree.
he
He
ended
was
up.
always going to be him and Van Dijk at the back. It's always going to be Van Dijk overshadowing him.
But
But
they-
still,
but
like he
Joe
could have held
Gomez-
down that second spot.
Yeah,
no,
he
why
could
did
have
they
held
have
down
to
that
get
second
him?
Gomez
spot,
was
but
in
he was
line.
injured all the time.
Matip
Yeah,
was
but
better.
like, and whenever he came, he didn't perform up to that level. Joe Gomez was in line to replace Lovren, and then
Yeah,
Lovren
basically.
left, and
When they won the Champions League, that was Joe Gomez's center.
Yeah,
back for
that
them.
was Joe
But-
Gomez's year.
that was Joe
That
Gomez
was Joe
and Joel
Gomez's year.
Matip.
No,
No,
Joe
Matip.
Gomez and Van Dijk. Van Dijk we signed in
Matip was
January.
the Premier League winning season.
And
for them.
Lovren was also there.
Oh no, I think we got it the
Yeah.
other way.
Oh,
the other way, the
Jogo
other way.
was
Okay,
the
the other
Premier
way, the
League
other
winning
way.
season,
Yeah.
and Joel
Yeah,
was
yeah,
the
that's what I meant,
Champions
sorry.
League
But
season.
yeah, from what I remember is Joe Gomez never lived up to what he was supposed to be. Like,
I wouldn't say never, but yeah, injuries ruined his career.
Yeah.
And the reason he's still at Liverpool is probably just because we love him as a person more than a footballer.
fair.
You said that, and we'll bring him back to Trent. Were you one of those guys who were like, "Boo, you're leaving your
No.
boyhood club. I hate you. How can you betray us?"
No. I
What
don't
do you
blame
make of
Trent
those
for it.
guys then who were doing that?
It's up to you, bro.
Yeah. You're portraying it in the wrong way. They
No, no.
definitely were not like, you're leaving our club, fuck you. It was the fact that you're leaving for free and not letting us benefit from it.
No, I don't think so.
That
I
might be
think,
even
I
worse.
think the truth of the matter is you're leaving our club, fuck you, because you're going to Real Madrid and you just won the league with us. What is wrong with us? Okay, Suarez, you left because we were V average. You made us look like a Premier League winning side. We were not a Premier
Yeah,
League
we're
winning
not.
side.
Both
If you look
those
at the
things
rest of
are
that
true,
team-
though. I agree with you. Like what you're saying is also 100% true, but that sting was
That
definitely
sting was definitely.
Yeah, it
there.
was
so
like
that
a-
sting I felt as well. Where I was like, boss,
would feel
you
it
are
as
a
well.
big.
But I feel like what you're saying is true, and that sting was added by other
Other
people
fans as
online.
well.
Don't let your boy
Who
go
were
for
like, you let your
free.
boy
Rage bait.
for free. Yeah, rage bait. And
Yeah,
Liverpool
yeah.
fans kind of caught on to
We
it.
went for it, bro.
And then added into that narrative and all the negative things around Liverpool. Because
I'll tell you,
Liverpool are like
the
PR
narrative was
favorites.
very bad.
Yeah,
because and people till today are telling me like, bro, but Trent didn't play that much in the last season. Are you sure, bro? He didn't play that much. Like he played a lot. You just remember Bradley sliding in on Mbappe. That's all you fucking remember, and you think Trent didn't play that much. He played like 30 games.
He
in the
did. He
season.
did play a lot.
And he was exceptional. Like I thought he was
He
absolutely.
did
top
play
notch.
really well last
Yeah.
season.
But
Agreed.
this narrative has been read in that let's forget about he wasn't that important last season. We don't need him.
I mean,
Conor
yeah.
Bradley is so much fitter than
Clearly,
him.
you need him.
I mean,
think so.
it's classic case of rebound, man. Like you're going to
Yeah, yeah.
convince yourself
But-
anything
Yeah.
to.
I also do think Conor
Get
Bradley
over
is
the
quite the
first
Trent
love.
replacement. I think he plays a lot like Trent in the sense. I think he's seeing Trent for so long, he's shaped his game in that way, and he's seen Liverpool needs that kind of attacking prowess down the wing.
Correct.
Because Salah, he's great, but he's not that good at putting a ball in from the wing, which he doesn't cross.
Are
He's
you
a
sure?
he's a left-footed player
Yeah,
on the
but
right
his
wing. His
Trivellas are
crossing
like,
is-
bro, when Yamin Lamal does it, everyone say, oh my god,
Yeah, but how
Trivela.
much
But
is
when
Salah gonna,
Salah
like-
does it, it's like, oh
Yeah, but how
no,
many
whatever.
crosses is Salah going to put in the box Trivela-ing it, bro?
Bro, I think he had 3 or 4 assists in that last season, which was Trivela.
But season, that's what I'm saying. Man, compare that to Trent's assists throughout a season.
of
I'm
course.
saying that's
That
where that
ball is
big gap is
irreplaceable.
also coming in because Isak would benefit so much from a
Of
Trent
course.
ball whipped in to the center.
Yeah. That's speed, bro. Nobody can put that. And Conor Bradley can't cross, huh? He doesn't know how to cross. He has all the other elements.
Yeah, but
but
not
he
the
doesn't have that.
crossing.
He can play the crossfield ball also,
The
but he can't
diagonal.
cross.
That Verge is best at.
Oh, Verge, bro, but we have too many problems. That is separate. I just think that Trent could have been a solution to a lot of problems and wouldn't have been a destabilizing factor because he is a leader. And he has been a leader since the time he was 18.
Okay,
Bad
that's
time to be a
about it.
Liverpool
Great
fan.
episode, Jay.
Yeah, thanks for having
December
me, guys.
6th, Volta.
December 6th,
$50,000.
Volta,
Location
50,000.
is, set.
Location is Cooperage, South Bombay. Pull up for the vibes.
Pull
Fuck
up.
the football. Pull
Yeah.
up for the vibes. We're going to have a lot of things happening. There's actually, I don't want to reveal everything, but it's going to be somewhat of a football festival.
Let's go.
Lit.
Okay? There's
Let's
going to
go.
be a lot more than just the 1v1.
Alcohol?
And see, that I do not make rules.
We'll
for.
get it.
Okay.
If you're in your car drinking, don't tell me.
We'll get it.
Also, if you're watching this show, that means you watch our channel and we will be there as well. So come meet us.
Okay.
We'll do some shit there also.
For sure.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having
See
me.
you next time.
Like and subscribe.